An elevator pitch, it's really a succinct conversational snapshot of your organization, brand, or offering. Think of it as a synopsis that covers kind of what it is, what it solves, and who it serves. And it can be communicated truly in the span of an elevator ride or a similarly brief interaction. I always like to remind individuals that at this point, an elevator pitch, it's not supposed to be, let's share everything that the company does and talk really fast and do it in 10 seconds. It's truly about capturing those key nuggets of information that provoke from the person who hears it a follow-on question. It might be, tell me more, or how did you focus in on that audience? Or what are more specifics about that product, service, or solution that you're providing? So when you think about drafting that elevator pitch, keep that in mind that you're looking to really capture that interest and then drive them to engage and ask another question or questions. So as we look to starting to develop that elevator pitch, there are a couple key things to consider. First, state the problem that you're addressing. Present the solution, again, at the highest level. Explain why people should trust you. And then ultimately, echo the value that your customers will receive from working with your organization and taking advantage of the products, services, or solutions that you provide. Now let's get a little bit deeper here. We're going to take an example of WeWork. And so here you can really see that it clearly shows who their offering is for. It's for independent workers in the US and what it solves: the difficulty of finding inexpensive office space, especially in major cities. Now, before I go and talk on to the next thing, I want to share one more. I didn't put it on the screen, but here at Launch Marketing, our elevator pitch is that we are a boutique marketing firm focused on B2B tech-oriented companies to help them build a sales pipeline that kicks ass. So as you can imagine, we've caught their attention right off the bat in those conversations, and it always leads to follow-on questions. If I'm talking to a salesperson, they're like, wow, I like that. Can I steal that? And I'm like, no, but you can hire us for our services so that you will have sales that kick ass. Or in other cases, it may drive, tell me more about how you do that. So it's the perfect lead-in. And you can see that for us, our elevator pitch is a bit edgy too, because that's more reflective of our personality and who we are. And that's something to think about as well when you're focused in on your organization and your elevator pitch. You do want it to be reflective, not only of addressing, the key things that you need to consider in an elevator pitch, but it needs to bring kind of the personality, culture, and values of your company into the mix as well.